Once again, I welcome you all on for the audio series of God's Heart for Marriage in the part 2 of chapter 6, that is on sexuality, sanctity and holiness. I believe that you all love the first part, and today we'll continue with the second part, that is how God has created sexuality in his holiness, and which means that original sexuality is pure and undefiled, but sin has caused this sexuality to become defiled and to lose its holiness. So today basically we'll understand of what is immorality, what is defilement of sexuality according to the Bible. So God created sexuality which can become defiled in many ways, both before and after marriage, and that means immorality. So come, let us see how defilement happens through various ways. So the first way is through insight. Insight means when sexuality is kindled or incited. That means there is a feeling of pleasure. Okay. So, however, it leaves a person miserable and guilty after some time. There can be various ways that a person can be incited. That means it can be in being in a wrong or inappropriate place, or watching sexually subtle or explicit material like porn, etc. Also speaking or listening to sexual conversations, example like chatting, vulgar messaging, that in today's world we say sexting, then talking with friends, etc. Also another way that one person can be incited can be like showing sympathy at wrong places and having soft corners for people whose sexuality is defiled. Then also there are familial tendencies or generation patterns where inciting events happen without control down generations. For example, King David, then Amnon, Absalom and Solomon. This is a generational pattern or familial tendency where incite took place. Also the last thing or the last way how incite happens can be self gratification or peer thought methods of pleasure. And also nowadays there are many other social media sites through which we can get into this. It should be, my friends, it should be understood that defilement happens at a inside stage itself. Okay, so it does not mean that okay there are some processes, so it does not happen. But first time you get into this insight mode, you defile your sexuality. The second one is ignite. What is ignite? So when sexuality is incited, then it is ready to get ignited. Okay, there will be events and situations that happen as though they were coincidental. People with incited sexualities will seek to pass the defilement on and infect others through words, attitudes, actions, behaviors, etc. Conversely, people with incited sexualities will attract one another. That we can also say that is fatal attraction. And suddenly, one is in demand or wants to be in such demand where it is no longer under one's control and lust takes over. Okay. And the last thing is defile. The last way is defile. Ultimate is defile. At this stage, sexuality of a person is completely defiled and begins acting on the defilement. Now, the defiled person is not in control of his or her own being, operating according to his or her senses. So, the physical body is not in line with the senses, I can say. The individual becomes sensual and the mind is unable to distinguish between right and wrong. So with this, I wind up my chapter 2, and this chapter will end with another part in the next week. So till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. God bless you.